Alright guys, so we passed the stream. Now we're just going uphill now because for the beginning part it was mainly flat. Now we're heading up. Ooh. Nice and muddy. This is the second stream that we need to cross. Trail's right there. Just look out for the bright markers on the trees. Let's cross the stream. Try not to slip in. Alright, that wasn't too bad. The water is actually really nice and refreshing. So it's easy to get lost here, guys. All you have to do is look for these markers right here. These colorful streamers on the trees, and just stick to that trail. So we're gonna go that way. That's not the waterfall yet. It's just around the corner. We're gonna continue to go up there. Whew. This hike is not a walk in the park. We have to go further up these rocks. It doesn't look steep on the camera, but it's steep. Here goes. Doing a little bit of rock climbing here. Oh my gosh. Hope this is the right way. Oh my word. I have a feeling I'm not going the right way. This is going all the way up. I ended up going too far up. I had to go back down and then cross the stream again for the, I don't know, third or fourth time. But we've arrived. There's just so many people here, kind of keeping distance but admiring from afar. Alright guys, I'm back in the car. Hope you enjoyed the adventure today. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!